How to use an Edgefinder. Insert Edgefinder into the machine. A collet is best, but the drill chuck will do the trick as well. Turn the mill on. After the machine has been turned on, you can then change the speed to 1000 RPM. Gently tap the Edgefinder to make it spin out of concentricity. For consistency when turning on the machine, please try to keep it rotating clockwise as the cutter will rotate this way. Now that you have the Edgefinder spinning and rotating out of concentricity, you will slowly bring the material up to make contact with the Edgefinder. As you move toward the Edgefinder, you will notice the tool start spinning concentric again as you make contact. You will slowly keep moving until the Edgefinder returns to being out of concentricity. This slight change in form means the Edgefinder has actually found the material's true edge. Set X or Y axis to 0 on the digital readout. Lower material away from the Edgefinder in the Z direction only. You need to maintain position of X or Y to keep your edge location. You will then move half the distance of the Edgefinder's probe, usually 100 thou, in the direction of the material so that the Edgefinder is over the edge of the material. Your digital readout should now read 0.100. Positive or negative doesn't matter. You will now reset to 0 again so that your 0 position now has the center of the tool over the edge of the material. Congratulations on learning how to successfully use an Edgefinder. You will repeat these steps for the adjacent side.